Good day, I'm Kashmir Hubert Bare. I'm going to present the critiquing and reimagining of a controversial ad. The Reebok's bad ads don't cheat on your workout. Background information of the advertisement. In 2016, Gold's Gym Dreamland in Giza, Egypt, posted a controversial advertisement on their Facebook page featuring an image of a peer with the caption, "This is no shape for a girl." The ad was part of campaign to encourage women to join the gym to achieve what the company considered an ideal body shape. Critiquing the ad. The Gold's Gym Dreamland advertisement is controversial because it shamed a natural female body type by comparing it to a peer and claiming that it is not an acceptable shape for a woman. This type of body shaming reinforces poisonous beauty standards and contributes to bad body image in women. The underlying message is that a woman's worth is determined by her physical beauty, and that only a thin, idealized figure is worthy of validation or acclaim. Reimagining of the controversial ad. In reimagining the controversial ad, I choose to focus on empowerment and inclusivity rather than shame. The new ad features diverse women of different body types engaging in various gym activities such as weightlifting, yoga, and cardio. The central tagline reads, "Strong comes in every shape, be your best self." This promotes the idea that fitness is personal and that health can look different for everyone. I used Canva to create the visual layout, selecting inclusive stock image and a soft, bold font that conveys strength without aggression. The color palette uses uplifting tones like teal and orange to reflect energy and positivity. The message encourages women to join the gym not because they are wrong, but because they deserve to feel strong and confident. This new approach is aimed at fostering self-love and motivation without comparison or body shaming. That's all. Thank you.